That's a cut.
I need more eye contact, less movement, and lean in on the last line. I'm about to show you exactly how to direct your avatar to give the strongest performances. Let's go.
In this week's Level Up, I'm showing you how to get more control over your Avatar 5 performance using custom motion. Most people think avatar prompting is just about changing the scene, but the Avatar 5 custom motion feature is built different. You're not directing the camera, you're not changing the location, you're directing the performance. The facial expressions, the hand gestures, postures, gaze, energy, and the stillness. This is what makes your avatar feel more intentional, more natural, and more on brand. So here's where you find it. Start on the home page and choose avatars. Select avatar shots and select the presenter tab. Once you have chosen your avatar, click on the motion button here at the bottom. This will open up the prompt box for you to direct your avatar's performance with custom motion. So by default, if you type nothing, Avatar 5 will automatically use professional mode. That means your avatar will still render a clean, consistent, professional delivery. This is best for company updates, product videos, enterprise content, and anything where you want the avatar to feel polished and controlled. Next, you have expressive mode. This is the easiest way to make your avatar feel more energetic. One toggle changes the whole performance style. The face becomes more lively, the gestures become more active, the overall delivery feels better for social videos, creator content, product launches, in those moments where you want more energy. Just turn on expressive mode and Avatar 5 shifts into a more animated delivery style. Now, for the most powerful part, custom motion. This is where you can type performance direction in plain English, but the key is knowing what to prompt. Custom motion controls how your avatar acts, not where they are, not what the camera does, not what props will appear. It controls things like look at the camera, lean in, and stay serious. Smile throughout and use open hand gestures. Point when I mention the product. Count on fingers when listing the 3 benefits. Thumbs up at the end. Keep hands still and stay calm. And that's the difference. You're not prompting a video scene, you're directing the avatar's face, body, hands. Here's what custom motion does not control. Don't use it for camera movements like zooms, pans, or dolly shots. Don't use it to change the location. Don't tell the avatar to walk to the kitchen, go outside, pick up a coffee. Don't use it for lighting changes, background changes, or props appearing on screen. If you prompt those things here, the avatar may ignore them, because that's not what this control is built for. Custom motion is built for directing your avatar's performance. Scene direction happens elsewhere. One more important tip. Your custom motion should match your audio. The system is enhancing the performance that is already in your voice. So if your voice sounds calm, don't ask for an angry performance with giant gestures. If your voice sounds excited, don't ask for a sad, downcast expression. The best results happen when the image, the voice, and the motion prompt are all pointing in the same direction. Excited audio? Prompt energetic gestures and a smile. Serious audio? Prompt direct eye contact and minimal movement. Emotional audio? Prompt sincerity, softer gestures. Think of custom motion as direction. You're guiding the performance that already exists in the audio. Here's an example workflow. Let's build one. Here's the script. Today, I'm going to show you 3 ways Avatar 5 helps you create more natural videos. For a polished business version, I might type in the prompt box, look at the camera, stay composed, use subtle hand gestures, count on fingers when listing the 3 ways, and thumbs up at the end. For a more social version, I might turn on expressive mode and type energetic and smiling throughout, open hand gestures, point at the cameras when saying you, count on fingers during the list, big smile at the end. For a more serious version, I'll type direct eye contact, lean in slightly, serious and confident expression, minimal hand gestures, grounded posture. Same script, 3 different performances. That's the power of Avatar 5 custom motion. So the quick rule is this: use professional when you want consistency, use expressive when you want more energy, and use custom motion when you want to direct the performance yourself. And remember, this is not scene prompting, it's performance prompting. That's how you get your Avatar 5 to feel less generic and more intentional. And that's your level up. Try it today for free on HeyGen.